Right then guys, here we go. Brian James, little Clubman trailer, look. Here she be. Tyre rack on the front there, look. You can see it better when I get round the other side. Arrived earlier on today. There she is, little floodlight on the back of there, look. Left his number plate on, look. But there she is, a set of alloys on it, look. Now, where are we? We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I reckon that's about 13 foot long, that trailer. There you go. So comfortably get MGBs, that sort of thing on, look. Escort, you get an escort on, providing the bumper will go under that front cross member. Anyway, there she is, little winch, recent jockey wheel, look. Little toolbox, ideal. Plate on there, look. There she be. So there you go. Pop down, have a look if you wish. Not really a lot to see, is there? Thank you.